Vacuum pumps are essential to just about every aspect of a lab. Their functions are an integral piece to a healthy operation. We depend on them for successful extraction, winterization, distillation, and post-processing. Like with all highly technical machines, they're prone to damage. Damage can be caused by high volatile vapor loads, not changing the oil frequently, or not pairing the correct pump for the application. This can result in operational downtime, which becomes costly. While our vacuum pumps are built with the highest integrity mechanics, we can't always account for every scenario. But what we can do is help mitigate that downtime and get your lab up and running as quickly as possible. We're proud to announce the Lab Society Advanced Pump Exchange Program. Here's how it works. Complete the Advanced Pump Exchange form online, purchase your replacement pump, we'll ship that replacement pump out to you within 24 hours, and you'll then receive instructions on returning your existing damaged pump. It's that easy. Your lab experiences minimal downtime, and best of all, every Lab Society pump is qualified for our Advanced Pump Exchange program, regardless of your warranty status. By purchasing a replacement pump, you'll be eligible to receive a 50% credit upon return of the pump or pump module that you're replacing, pending a certified inspection. So let's get to it. The Advanced Pump Exchange Program by your friends at Lab Society.